Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Want to thank the folks over at Amir for sending me another product to review for all of you. Now, I'll be leaving the link down below in the description, like I always do. And when you hit that link, it's going to take you right over to Amazon to the product that we're going to be reviewing. So we'll be unboxing this in just a couple minutes. This is the Amir Watch Stand Bamboo Wood USB Charging Station Desk Stand Charger with 3 USB ports. Now, this charging station is compatible with all iPhone devices and Apple Watch. You'll be able to use Android smartwatches and Android smartphones as well. I'll show you a list when we look at the description a little bit deeper. Check out some of these pictures. There's the back of the charging station. There's your 3 USB port area. There's the area where your power cord adapter will plug into, the other end to your power strip. This charging station is going to have all the power that's going to go right into your cables that's going to charge your devices. A closer look. Organized, unorganized. Underneath, you'll be able to tuck your cables away. You got slits there for the cords themselves into the 3 USB ports. So everything looks nice and clean, like that. You got an independent stand for your watch that magnetically attaches itself to the charging station. And there you go. There's the final product. Okay, so I'm going to go down and get to the description right here. Multi-function, compatible with all versions of Apple Watch and iPhone. Built-in 3-port USB 3.0 hub. There's the devices there again. Compact design, solid build, perfect for travel. Okay, this is what you're going to do. You're going to read all of this. Okay, now as we go down below, you're going to see a lot of other devices there. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this product, get it set up, and see how it works. So let's get to doing that. Okay, 3 areas that I want to talk about before I go with this charging station from Amir. Number 1, I don't wear watches. No smartwatch, no Apple Watch for me, so I can detach this piece. I'm not going to utilize it and put it aside. For those of you that own a smartwatch or an Apple Watch, you'll be able to utilize that for you. Okay, the other thing is, when putting through my USB Type-C cable through the slitted area here, there's not a lot of room to work with. It literally took me 2-3 minutes to really squeeze that in there. And I mean, it is in there nice and snug. I mean, it's not coming out. So it's a very tight fit in there. So what I'm going to do is only use one cable through here, tucked in here for my device here. And I'm going to bring in 2 shorter cables that I'll order off Amazon right here, and then have those come out and charge a couple other devices, whether I'm charging my smartphones or maybe like a Bluetooth speaker or my Bluetooth headset, whatever it is that I'm charging. I'll just have 2 smaller cables right here, whether regular USB cable or USB Type-C cable, and then I'll have my longer one, my 3-foot one in here tucked away in the cubby hole. And then the last thing I wanted to talk about was having your device in portrait mode can be a little tricky. So it tends to want to flex forward, okay, unless you really work with that. I just say, you know what, don't even hassle with that. Just put it in landscape mode like that, and that'll work fine when you're charging. So yeah, I just think that's going to be a little bit of a hassle. Maybe you'll be able to get it to work for you better, but I think that's going to work best for me. So 2 short cables there, 1 tucked away into the cubby hole area there. Again, these slits, not a lot of room to work with. Take some time to get your cable in there, but once you do, it's going to be nice and snug. And what we're hoping for is it won't pinch there either. So I'll be watching that area. I'll be giving you an update on how this product works. It looks really cool. Again, this is bamboo from Amir. Desk charger, charging station, $18.99. Check out everything, read everything before you order. But I think I will utilize it in the way that I just explained it. There you go. Thanks for watching. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. You are my Project 13. Peace.